The Tesla phone is one of the most talked about things in the mobile industry. And the things you hear about it are fantastic. It's 100% secure, a private phone. It does not require mobile data from your carrier or mobile network operator. It has free satellite connectivity from Starlink. It does not need a charger or a power bank because it uses solar for power supply. Oh, and all of this fantastic technology, the price is only $100. There is much more that you haven't heard about the Tesla phone. Every year, the news of the announcement and the release of the Tesla phone breaks out on all manner of blogs, websites, YouTube channels, and the specs are reeled out, the price is reeled out. But nobody has ever seen one. I wonder why. No tech reviewer, no influencer, no carrier sells one. You can't find it to buy on Amazon or Best Buy or Jumia or Flipkart. The Tesla phone. The Tesla phone. Here's the deal. Elon Musk is known for running innovative companies that push the frontiers of technology. There's SpaceX, there's Tesla, Starlink, and he has quite a strong following all over the world, and especially social media. And there are lots of people who really want Elon Musk to make a Tesla phone. But I wonder why they keep calling it a Tesla phone. Why does nobody call it a Starlink phone? Or a SpaceX phone? Or an X phone? You know, iPhone, X phone. I think X phone will actually be cooler. Oh well, but Tesla is the most popular brand under the Elon Musk empire. So I think I understand why everybody calls it a Tesla phone. But the Tesla phone doesn't exist. Actually, what Elon Musk has said is that they could make one. They could make one. He has not said they are working on one, but year after year, at least I can remember as early as 2021, 2022, people have been announcing the launch and the release of the Tesla phone. This is 2025, and the Tesla phone still does not exist. But fanboys and fangirls and fan papas and fan mamas keep dreaming every year, keep wishing every year that it will happen. And a number of YouTubers and bloggers hop onto this hype every year, churn out videos, churn out blog posts announcing the arrival of the Tesla phone that has still refused to arrive. Oh, Tesla phone, when are you going to arrive? Because it's looking like never. It's looking like never. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know, the Tesla phone does not exist. Maybe one day Elon Musk will actually commit resources to developing one. I know that many of us are bored with Android and iPhone. If Elon Musk were to come up with a new mobile operating system, would you buy it? A mobile operating system that would key into Tesla cars, into Starlink modems and boxes, you know, just keen into all of that, and maybe powered by Grok, Elon Musk's AI system. Perhaps the Tesla phone could be the first smartphone that does not need a mobile operating system, but simply uses AI. Oh, it sounds like I'm getting infected by the Tesla phone virus now, because I'm beginning to spin specs and likely possible scenarios. I don't know. I'm not so excited about it. But who knows? Who knows what tomorrow will bring? But as at March 2025, the Tesla phone does not exist, and there are no plans to to make one. So every one of those videos that you're seeing announcing the specs and the prices and the release dates of the Tesla phone are all hoaxes. It's all misinformation. It's fake news, in the words of Elon Musk. It is absolutely fake news. Right now, if you need a smartphone, you either get an iPhone or you get an Android phone made by Samsung, OnePlus, HMD, Motorola, Nothing, Techno, Infinix, and the others. Or if you live in China, you could get a phone made by Huawei running Harmony OS, but you can't get a Tesla phone. Not today, not this year. You cannot get a Tesla phone. It just does not exist yet. I'll see you in my next video.